Hey team, it's that time. Time to shock your neighbors. Let's get some GreenShocker down. Guys, welcome back to Lawn Journeys. It is Russ, and we are approaching the end of another season. And it's time to shock and impress your neighbors. I'm going to run some Anderson's GreenShocker. Let's talk a little bit about the product. Let's talk about the application. Let's talk about how long it takes to see the effects. And I'm going to show you the results all in this video. All right, team. What we're running today is Anderson GreenShocker 712. It's a fast release nitrogen lawn fertilizer, contains iron and humic acid. It's going to provide a quick greening and can be used for spoon feeding applications. We'll get noticeably greener grass in as little as 3 days. Extremely small particle size for double coverage. It's safe for all turf types. Anderson's also is made in USA, so we have a double plus. So here's the bag. You can see the analysis. We have 7% nitrogen, 1% phosphorus, and 2% potash. It's only 0.5% iron, but I have to say, as you guys will see at the end of this video, the green up is phenomenal. The application rate is 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And as you can see, there are some convenient spreader application rates listed on the bag for some of the big spreaders. Okay team, so let's get out there and let's get this done. All right team, so you guys may remember I did use this product last year. The results were fantastic. You can look for that video, but I wanted to make another one because, you know, every year the lawn changes. I suffered some fungus damage this year. You can see I have a spot right here that I have seeded. It's starting to come back in. But this is a great product. I used the Anderson's PGF Complete. Was my first fall fertilizer application. This is going to be my fun app to dress things up for Halloween. And then I will be doing a final winterization app of the season. That will probably be the video that follows this one. So, you know, like the video, subscribe, do all that stuff if you guys want to see that. But again, Earthway spreader. I've been using this thing probably for 3 or 4 years, holding up pretty well. There's a video for that too. There's all kinds of stuff, right? But anyway, GreenShocker, let's open this baby up. I want to show you guys the granules. It's simple, you can get it down, you'll get a fast result. Impress your neighbors for the holidays. You could do it for Halloween, you could even do it for Thanksgiving. It's not too late. If you have a cool season lawn, she's going to keep going. If you keep feeding her, depending on what area of the country you're in, like as you guys know, I'm in Jersey. We may have a couple frosts between now and November, but I'll be cutting my lawn until early December. Okay, so as you guys can see, this stuff is fine as sand. That gets in there, and this is also the DG dispersible technology. This stuff is, I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. GreenShocker 712 is a quick release lawn fertilizer. It contains iron and humic acid. This means that the nutrients are delivered to the lawn immediately rather than slowly reaching the turf over a period of 4 to 6 weeks. GreenShocker 712 is safe for all turf types, and you should notice a green up within 72 hours after application, and it will last for as long as 2 to 3 weeks. The particle size of GreenShocker is extremely small, which allows for precise coverage. The GreenShocker Prill includes the Anderson's DG technology, which allows each particle to disperse into thousands of microparticles after coming in contact with rain or irrigation. Okay team, Anderson's GreenShocker 712. It's a very, very fine prill. You may not even think you're spreading it, so don't open your spreader gate up more than recommended because you'll blow through this stuff fast. Fast, did I say fast? You'll blow through it fast. The only other thing you need to do, 0.2 of an inch of H2O, and you're good to go. 3 days, we're gonna have a dark green lawn. I'm gonna show the results right now. Hey Team Russ, this is 1 week out. We're post Anderson's GreenShocker. As you can see, it's got a fresh cut on it. I will report to you that the grass did grow significantly because it is a rapid release nitrogen fertilizer. I probably had about 2 inches of growth on it. I just cut it this morning. It's got a nice dark green tint to it. I'm happy with it. I think it's a good product. I love the Anderson's products. Like you guys know, I've done the PGF Complete. But let's just give you a tour around the yard and let you see what the rest of it looks like. As you can see, we have some beautiful fall foliage happening. My family's making fun of me. We have some beautiful fall foliage happening. So here we go. Front yard. Looking good. So you guys can see my elephant ears are still rocking and rolling, looking good. But overall, grass is a nice dark green. We have Halloween coming up. Let's take a look. This side's looking good. Nice and green. Some decent stripes. All right, team. Anderson's GreenShocker. It's a winner. I like it. I like the effect. It's easy to apply. Like I did say earlier though, the prill size is very fine. So set your spreader on the conservative side because you don't want to shoot it all out if you have it set incorrectly. You can obtain it directly from Anderson's. It's also available on Amazon. There are some links in the video. Use them if you want. Halloween's here. So if you didn't get it down, you probably missed that, but you can think about doing it for Thanksgiving, okay? So that's an easy one to do. It's not too late. Like I said many times, I'm out here cutting until December. My green will be my lawn will be green into December. It doesn't really go dormant here in Jersey until late December. That's when it kind of just turns brown and it's done. But you know, it's looking good. These trees are beautiful. So leave some comments. Let me know what you guys do, what other products you guys like to use. I'm always up for a new challenge, try something new. Get out there, get it done. And I will see you guys next time on Lawn Journeys.